Do you really need a Delaware corporation? Most likely not. The reasons that I hear social media gurus or other advisors tout the benefits of a Delaware corporation simply do not apply to most businesses. One of the benefits I hear is that there are tax advantages for being registered in Delaware. The fact of the matter is that Delaware actually has really high franchise taxes compared to other states that corporations need to pay. You may actually end up paying more taxes out the gate, even if you're not doing business. So that's something you want to be very careful about. I've seen clients end up paying thousands of dollars for just existing, and it's based off of the shares that are issued. Another benefit that I hear is that you get more protections. If you are not doing business in Delaware, you probably also need to register your business where you actually are doing business. So you are subject to the jurisdiction that you do business in. So putting your domicile or your original filings in Delaware is not some sort of magic protection. So that's another reason why you will not benefit from a Delaware corporation or LLC. Another benefit that people tout is being anonymous. That's true. If you file in Delaware, you can be anonymous. However, there are other states that are less expensive and more accessible than Delaware, such as Wyoming is one. New Mexico is another one. So, being a Delaware entity is not your only option. And that's important because in my experience as an attorney dealing with Delaware it's actually a pain just if you need to obtain your documents. For some reason, that system is just not user friendly. So if you don't need to be in Delaware, then you don't need to be in Delaware. The businesses that do benefit from being a Delaware entity is if you plan on going public, if you are going to seek a lot of investors. Sometimes investors just prefer, and it's really a preference of being registered in Delaware. Delaware is also known for having a more robust case law, specifically in what we call chancery court that deals with injunctions and restraining orders. But most businesses are fine in the state that they are doing business in. Again, so there are some exceptions, but for the most part, you are fine incorporating in your own state.